Hello guys, welcome to Cooker King's Carton Fair live channel. This is your host Sign. So I think this set refresh your eyes very clearly, right? Okay, so in several hours I'm going to introduce this our fourth set for you guys. So as you can see, this set we have the fry pans, saucepan, casseroles, and high pot, wok, and the grill, even the grill pan. Almost all shapes of cookwares included. So as you can see, we are using the granite coating inside and also outside, so it looks very nice. You can see we have using very special handles and spare parts in this set. You can see this handle, backlight handle, can be detachable. All of these handles can be detachable. It's very easy to storage and to clean it. Okay, not the handles can be detachable, and the ears can be detachable too. Okay, so this set we are using the granite nonstick coating inside, and we also use heat-resistant coating outside, so it looks like made of the granite, but the non-stick performance is very good. And all our items in this set we using the not this one, sorry. I mean, all our items are using this induction button, dot induction button. Maybe you can't see it very clearly, but it is covered with outside coating. So, but this every items in this set we can use on the induction oven top. Okay, so after in following minutes, I'm going to introduce each item's finishes and the sizes. All right, so let's get started. So now you are looking at the 30 centimeters fry pan. As you can see, this pan is using the granite coatings inside and outside. It's also granite. So it has a non-stick performance. Actually, some of our customers doesn't know this is not really the granite or the marble. They are just the coatings. But if you want to change the coatings into your own brand or the other brand, like the Iraq, Whitford, or maybe the Grablons, Teflons, whatever you need, we can change it, like the black nonstick coatings, right? Okay, so also you can change it into the ceramics, both inside and outside. Okay, so don't worry about all the food safety of these pans or all the pans, because we have nearly 40 years experience of making non-stick cookwares, so we can pass LFGB, FDA, DGCCRF, all kinds of international tests. All right. Okay, so this pan has a very special part. You can see this handle can be detachable. So it's very easy to storage. Okay, so this handle is backlight handle. You can see there's a black part and the gray part. There's a button here. You just need to press a button and it is assembled very easily and very stable. Okay, so if you don't like these handles, we can change it into other handles like stainless steel handles, or even the real wood handle, carbon steel handles, whatever you want. So let's see the bottoms. Okay, so as you can see, this bottom we painted all with granite coatings, but still has an induction function. I don't know if you guys see it very clearly. We have the induction plate all over the bottom, so it is a dot induction button. But if you want, we can just not paint it at all, so it will be the silver colored, very shiny. And also we can do with a full induction, or otherwise you don't need it, we can just do it as a, the city button. So this one, we don't have the logos here, but if you want, we can put your embossed logo in the middle of the circles, embossed or the laser logos on the bottoms, even on the bodies. Maybe you can print your logos here, okay? So about these pens, we have 5 sizes. The small one is 20, and we have 24, 26, 28, and 30. So basically you can do a 3-piece set like 20, 24, 28. Okay. So you are looking for the 16 centimeter saucepan. Okay, it's 16, the dimensions, and this handle is 21 centimeters. These saucepans, we have 3 sizes, and the smallest is 16, and we have the 18, 20. Okay, the height of this one is 7.5 centimeters, so the capacity is suitable for just one person for a milk for breakfast. As you can see, the inner coating, even the rim, we are using the granite coatings, and this granite coating, we have the non-stick performance as well. But if you want to change into ceramic or some marbles, or you want to use a famous brand like Elag, Whitford, or maybe, the Grablon, Teflon, whatever you want, we can make it for you. Okay, so and still don't worry about the food safety. We can pass FDA, LFGB, DGCCRF, these kind of international tests. And you can see outside we are using the same color as the inner coatings, so it looks whole pieces made of stones, but actually it's not, right? And guys, you can see we are using the bakelite handles here. It also can be detachable. There's a button here, just press a button and it can be detached. Okay, so it's very easy to storage and saves a lot of the space. This handle is made of bakelite, so if you don't like it, we can use also the stainless steel handles or the real wood handles, even the carbon steels, whatever you need. Also, you can see this knob has also using the granite coatings, the gray granite with 2 dots, right? It feels all the same with the saucepan color. Okay, so as you can see, this one lid is our regular, the common glass lid, tempered glass lid. They have a stainless steel rim here, and we have used bakelite knob here. And you can see there is a concave on this bakelite knob, so we can put our utensils or the chopsticks on this one. I don't have a chopstick here, so okay. So, but if you want to change it to a flat lid with even the silicone rims, that should be fine by us. We can offer you these options. And let's see the bottoms. Okay, so bottom still has induction, just not very clearly because we painted with our granite coatings. But don't worry about the size of this induction plate. Even with the 16 centimeters dimension saucepan, we can use it all oven tops. It will be inductionable, okay? So, and you don't see any logos on here, right? But if you want, I mean 16 maybe not because it will affect the induction, but with 18 centimeters and the 20s, it will, we can put your embossed or laser logo here, or even the laser logos on the bodies, and even on the, you know, silk print logos on the handles or on the glass lid. That should be fine. So this is our 24 centimeters forged casserole. And you can see this one is 24 and the height is 11 centimeters. So the capacity is really good, okay? It can contain almost 5 liters. So this of this shape, this casserole, we have 3 sizes. We have the 20, 24 and 28 centimeters. So we have the big casserole, 28. As you can see, this inner coating and outside coating, we used the granite coating. So the inside we have the non-stick performance also. And if you want to using the ceramic coating or the marbles or just a regular PDFE or whatever brand you want, like ELAC, Teflon, Gravelon, Whitford, these kind of brands, we can all use it because we have the, you know, the license. And if you guys want to do this, you know, the hard anodized inside and outside, we can also do that for you. Don't worry about the food safety. So we can pass LFGB, FDA, DGCCRF, whatever you name it. So let's see the spare parts, okay? So you can see we are using the black bakelite handle, I mean the ears or the grip, I don't know what you call it. Here it can be detachable. You guys can see there are 2 buttons here, right? We just press a button, okay, so it can be detachable. What does that mean? So if you want to use a set with 2 casseroles, maybe you just need just 1 set of the ears, saves you some cost, right? And you can see if you don't want like these detachable ears, maybe you choose stainless steel handle tube shapes. Maybe you can choose a real wood handle, even the carbon steel. That's fine by us. And there is special design with this knob. You can see it's also painted with you know, black and white dot granite. So there is a tube here, so we can put our chopsticks or the utensils on this knob. It's a very special design. And we are using the regular glass lid, high tempered, so very safety. And you can see we can look through the glass lid and into this casserole very clearly. It has a stainless steel rim, and if you want, we can change it into the silicones. It will seal off the casserole more better, and we can change it into, you know, the flat lid, because this one has some concave here. Okay, so let's see the bottom. I think you guys can notice there are silk print logos here, but also we can put your logos on the, I mean, if you want the silk print logos, we can also put on the handles. If you want other of your logos, we can put it in the middle of the bottoms. We can just dig a hole here and doing some embossed logo, or the laser logos here. Just your logos. Maybe your logos named A, B, C, and then we put A, B, C, 3 letters here. Or maybe you want putting on the bodies, we can also do that, okay? So back to our bottoms, you can see this bottom is painted with granite, but we can also use we are using the induction button, so you can see there's a little dot here, not very clear, but still it can suitable for all oven tops. If you want to use a full induction or use CD buttons, we can also do that for you guys. Okay, so all can be customized. And here comes our wok. This one is our 28 centimeters wok, and you can see it's quite nice here. The height is 8.5, and at this work we have two sizes. One is this one 28, and we have the 30 with 9.0 height. Okay, so but if you want the big work, we also have them. All right. So guys, you can see the inside coating. As this set, we called it the granite, right? And outside it's also the granite, so nothing changed. But if you want to use your own brand or the other colors like the ceramic, marble, or even the PDFE coatings, with other brands like Iraq, Whitford, these things, no problem, we can do that for you. Okay, so and don't worry about the food safety, it's PFOA free, and we can pass to the LFGB, FDA, DGCC, RF, these international standard. Don't worry about these things. And if you want the outside coating, we can even change it to in normal. Okay, so you can see there's stainless steel rabbit here. So if you want, we can just use aluminum, and we paint it as same as the inside coating. We can even use welding. Okay, so you can see we didn't use a glass lid in this work, but if you want, we can also put a glass lid on this work. And you can see still with detachable handles, right? And this one is just 28 centimeters, so there's no need we put a side ear here because the capacity the weight doesn't too heavy. Okay, so but if you want to use a big one, I mean the 13 centimeters, we can use another side ear here, or maybe you just using two side ear. Okay, just 2 ears work. I don't know if you can imagine that. Okay, so but if you don't like this handles, you don't like the detachable ones, you prefer the stainless steel ones or just the bakelite ones, real wood or the carbon steel, whatever handles you like, we can find it for you. Okay, painted with any color, just let us know the Pantone numbers, or offer us samples, should be perfect. Let's see the bottom. Okay, the bottom is using the dot induction bottom, but we painted with a granite. If you want, we can change it into the full induction, or just with the CD bottoms, like the CD album. Okay, so Also, there's no logos in this induction button because we want to look at the whole piece. But if you like this design, you can put your laser logos on the bodies or the silk print logos on the handles. If that's fine by you, you just can put your embossed logo here, right? Okay, so very nice work. Let's move on. Okay, now here's our crepe pans forged. So this one we just have only one size. This one is 24 centimeters and the height just 1.7. You can see it's very shallow, okay? But that's why we called it the crepe pan, right? We can use it as a omelette or the breakfast, doing some bacons, eggs, whatever. Okay, so you are just looking for the 24 sizes. Now, the inside coating, inner coating is using the granite coatings. So it looks like the stones, right? And because the height is not very well, you can see, but also we are using this granite coating outside. Okay, so as I always told you, it can be customized, so you can change it into the ceramic or marbles or even the PDFE with even brand, whatever brand like Elac, Teflon, these brands. And we can maybe do the treatment like hot anodized, so you don't need to coating at all. And don't worry about the food safety here, so we can pass all the LFGB, FDA, DGCCRF, these tests, PFOA free, so don't worry about these things. Now about this pan, with this whole set, we are using the detachable set, so you can see this structure of this handle is quite strong and very easy to operate, right? Just to press a button here. But if you don't like this design here, we can change the handles like stainless steel or even real wood or the carbon steel. So colors, materials, all can be customized. So let's see the bottoms. It's a quite big bottom here. You can see we used the dot induction button here. It's very big, so it can transfer the heat very well. And this one we can also do the CD buttons for your guys, so maybe save some cost for you. And we can put your logos here, right? The right side, if you want a small logo, we can put into 3 centimeters, and with a big one, we can do it with 5 centimeters. Embossed very clear logo here says your brand or your logos, your slogans, whatever on it. Okay, so quite a nice one. Okay, now here brings you guys a square grill pans, right? This one is 28 centimeters and the height is 4.3. 4.3, sorry. So this one 28, also 28. This grill, we have two sizes, 24, and this one is 28. So you can see the inside coating, we are using the granite coatings, and outside also the granite. There's 17 ribs here, so you can use it for your ribs, because with the coating maybe you can't see them very clearly, but there are ribs here, right? I don't know if you can see it. So, okay, the inside coating, we use a granite, so it makes look like stones, but if you want to using the PDFE with all brands, Whitford, Elac, this brand, famous brand, or maybe not less famous, maybe domestic, Pamphilon, these brands, that's okay for us. We have all the licenses. And we can use a ceramic, both inside and outside, even the marbles. That's no problem for us. Don't worry about anything about this food safety, all PFOA free, and we can, pass all the LFGB, FDA, these international test standard. No problem at all. And now let's see this handle. This handle is our special design detachable handle. There's a bottom here and a very strong structure here, so it won't come off. If you don't like this design, you can change into the bakelite or the stainless steel handles, whatever you want and whatever color you need. It all can be customized. I believe you guys can see all kinds of spare parts in our website, so don't worry about this thing. Let's see the bottoms here. So you can see there is a round button here. It's full covered with a dot induction button, so it can be used on all oven tops. And if you don't need the induction, we can just using the CD bottoms here. Okay, so let's see, there's no logo here, but we can put your logos here with the embossed logo, or just using the laser logos on the bodies, or the silk print logos on the handles. Now you are looking at the 20 centimeters high pot. Okay, so it is with our steamer. It's special steamer we suit for this high pot. Okay, so this pot, we only have one size of this pot, 20 centimeters, and the height is 13.5, so the capacity is very good. It can contain almost 5 liters. So you can see there are 3 parts of this pot. There's a pot and a steamer and the lid. Okay, so inside coating we are using the granite coating, and outside also. So it has a non-stick performance inside. But if you want to change into the ceramic or the marble coatings, even you prefer the PDFE non-stick coatings, whatever brand you need, like ELAC or the Whitford, Grablon, Teflon, these brands, we can use it for use, just name it. And don't worry about any food safety problems. We can pass all the LFGB, FDA approval. Okay, so you can see so inside and both outside colors we can make it for you. So let's see the spare parts here. So as always, this set we are using the detachable ear. So just press a button. The structure here, it's very stable and very easy to clean. So just put here. If you used another ear, 2 ears casserole or the wok, you just need 1 pair of these ears. Okay, saves a lot. And if you don't like it, maybe we can change into the bakelite ears or the stainless steel ears. And you can see there is a cast glass steamer here, so specially made for this one, this high pot. The size is 20 centimeters, the height is nearly 8, so it's special designed. Very nice one, but if you don't like it, we can just put a glass lid on it. Because we are using this one, so the glass lid doesn't fit very well, but we can just use a very suitable glass lid for here. And as you can see, there's still a special design on this knob. We can put all kinds of utensils, chopsticks here, even the spoons. Okay, so we can also use a flat glass lid with a silicone rim. That's also an option for you guys. Okay, so let's see the bottoms here. You can see these bottoms, very step with this bottom, so looks very nice. And we are using the granite covered all the buttons, but it still has an induction function. You can see there's a lot of dot here, so there's a dot induction here. We can also change it into the CD bottoms, or you don't like painted at all, it will be just a silver color in the bottom, on the bottom I mean. So also, if you want your logos here, we can just use a stamp logo in the middle of this part, and maybe using the laser logos here, or maybe on the bodies. Okay, so silk print logos on the spare parts, maybe on, and the silk print logos on the, you know, the glass lid. That's a very nice one and a very special design. Many people loved it so much. So okay. After introducing all sizes and finishes, I think you guys know this set quite well. So I'm going to do some recommendations for this set if you want. Okay, so if you want to do this like this a lot, you want a basic set, we can use a fry pan, a saucepan, and a casserole combined with a 5-piece set as a basic one. So if you want a big set, maybe we can add a grill or a grip pans. If you are facing with, you know, the East Europe clients, maybe you can add this high pot. And if you are going to do, you know, with most maybe Chinatown something, maybe you can add this work. So all can be customized, whatever you need. So I think this set is already, you have the concept in your mind. That means we can also decide the packages. So right. So if you are doing on the e-shop, or you are doing business with TV shopping, so we can do this set or individual items with a color box or mailbox. If you are selling them on the shopping malls or supermarket, retail stores, maybe we can use a color sleeve or, you know, the color labels to save the cost. Okay. You know, Cooker King have nearly 40 years non-stick cookware manufacturing experience. So you don't have to worry one thing about food safety and other things. We can pass LFGB, FDA, DGCCRF, so nothing to worry about, all right? So if you want to guys want to know more, if you are interested with this set or individual ones, just contact us. You can visit our website, you can visit our carton fair, our serving people are waiting for you through the screen. So thank you guys. In following shows, we will bring you more. Thank you.